fellow Toastmasters and honored guests. It's wonderful to have you guys with us this evening, and I feel like I've been away from you guys for a long time. This every other week, and you know, the holidays and everything kind of threw us like, wow, I haven't seen you in such a long time. Well, tonight, what I'm going to be doing, Herman and Lamont have really set the stage on what it is that I need to do. So I think what I'm going to do now is I'm going to bring it on home. And it's amazing how all of this worked out. In the persuasive process, especially with sales, what you're trying to do, and Elaine said it earlier with persuasion, and she said something to Jen about persuasion that was going on at the time. And what Herman's talking about is building the club. Lamont talking about your goals and what we can do. So if we bring all that together, it helps me with the persuasive process. And when we do have visitors come into our club, even when we're at work or in other organizations that we participate in, we can always show a need where Toastmasters can be very helpful for them. There are different techniques in understanding the various ways of an effective salesperson. One of those things are building rapport. You want to build rapport with your client, you want to build rapport with the customer, you want to build rapport with the buyer. After you build that rapport, now you have trust. And when they trust you, you know the good thing about that? They're going to listen to you, they're going to come back to you each time to buy things from you because you built that relationship. That trust is there. And they're going to refer people to you. There's another thing that is so great when it comes to being a successful salesperson. Do not, whatever you do, learn how to, is it truncate? Learn how to do that. Sometimes as salespeople, you never listen to what the person who is coming to you, you don't know their need. Because you're so, you're just going, and it's like, oh my goodness. So how do you know how to even satisfy that need of the customer? You don't. So I have built an international enterprise here. It's called Marquis International of Confident Public Speaking.